The difference between Islam and Christianity is grace.
What does that mean?
Unmerited favor.
So you're saying that people in the time of Abraham didn't have the grace?
They had the grace, but like
how? They didn't believe in Jesus.
Yeah, but they're the ones that did the sacrifices looking toward a future Messiah.
No, but again, they didn't believe in Jesus. Jesus didn't die for their sins because they didn't believe in Jesus.
Yeah.
So how did they get to heaven?
Well,
so now you're stuck with this because you have to say that they had to believe in one God, not worship idols, and do good deeds. Now, when Jesus comes around, you're changing the game. According to your own Bible, you have to do good deeds, right?
No good deeds.
Does Jesus not say faith without actions is fruitless? The Word of God tells you that faith without actions is fruitless. You are saying actions are necessary.
That has nothing to do with being saved from hell.
So what does that mean then? Faith without actions is fruitless.
You demonstrate your faith by your actions to prove to man.
What? To prove to man or to prove to God?
No, not to God.
So you're trying to prove it to man?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you be more worried about what God thinks? Are you just trying to show off? Is that what it is?
Yeah, I'm showing off.